looked up, I think of you smiling at me. I'm the same flowers are blooming there along the path we used to walk. Standing in the sunlight, you turn around and say you love me. And the summer day was shining so bright, and so were you in my memory. I spread my wings trying to fly into the sky in order to reach out to your heart again and again. Watching the calm sea, I held you tightly in my arms. Yes, we did feel like we are riding on the breeze. Yes, we did. Crossing the rainbow, I would like you to be with me. 'Cause I believe there is a land far away for you and me. I can feel you at the tips of my fingers. I can feel you there, and I wish this precious moment could last forevermore. Yes, I know things have changed, even the color of the seas and skies. Things are always changing, nothing is ever the same again. I find myself calling your name in the sunset, and in my sorrow, the twilight slowly fading tonight. I can feel you at the tips of my fingers. I can feel you there. I'll never forget you on the summer day forevermore. I'll never forget you on that summer